Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisebe Entertainment during this hour, guys, and ndiniphathele indaba ezimnandi kakhulu, guys. Before singene ezindabeni ke zomaphoxana, I just wanted to congratulate Vuyokazi ugqiba ukuposta ke sharing with ifans zakhe across the country that umntana wakhe ekuyi-firstborn yakhe umhlophekazi is officially in big school, you guys. Also, as ifans, siyazazi challenges Vuyokazi has been overcoming as a single parent. So this is absolutely beautiful to watch. Anyways, guys, izolo ke bendiscrolla phayana ke ku Facebook. No, not on Facebook, ku Instagram, and I came across a picture ke kaNdlunkulu Mabiyela. And hayibo, I have never been so shooketh. So yeah, waposta ezithombeni zibonayo, guys, and kukhona ke abantu ebebe commenta. I'm shook because I thought Amahle was the quiet type, and seeing her respond like that literally sent me. So there are people that were commenting offside things about ke ibody yakhe. Kukhona oye waqala ngathi uyancoma, yabo, wathi beautiful uchoke ibody kaMahle uthi beautiful but overweight, that's a fact. Why do people hate the truth? Wamphendula indlela agadle ngayo sana wathi at least mna ntombi I'm overweight, wena ububi into engeke isalungiseka, into bengizoyikhala Jesu Kristu wema. Kukhona ke nomnye futhi once again uthi they all need to lose some weight, referring to ke intombi zikaMpumelelo Mseleku and his wives. Why did he their wives? And all his wives. So uye waphendula ke uMahle wathi ungasanganeli kimi bandla. Like, guys, sada, I've never expected it. Also, I did also see naye uVuyokazi. This is a new year, guys. Uvuyokazi uyagadla. I'm so scared of her sana. Uvuyokazi recently shared that ufuna ukudropha yet another, what do you call this thing, another Q&A ku YouTube, another video ku YouTube, so that bezogowa abanye. That's what she said. I get comments, guys. Khona ke othe focus on your face surgery, Mrs. Surgery fake body. Hayi wagadla uVuyokazi wathi andizukubhlokha wena, ndifuna ugowe kulonyaka. Guys, nomnye ke wafika wathi rejected, baby daddy rejected, husband wase UK rejected, reject wena, wathi uVuyokazi so yagowa na. Yo, guys, andongayihleki. Zininzi comments ebeziphendula. Khona nomnye othi trying to stay relevant ke family esakwazi ngayo is some form of high ungratefulness, to which ke uVuyokazi uyawaphendula wathi I'm not trying to be relevant, babe. Relevancy is something you're blessed with. I don't have to mention anyone to stay relevant. Omnye ke, guys, okay, this will be the last one. Omnye ati focus on raising your kids. Were you not crying for support not so long ago? If you are not chasing after men, you want attention from viewers. Just rest. Then came waphendula wathi abantu abangena life bathetha kanje njengawe. I don't blame you, I blame the fake account. Then again, it went on and on, you guys. But again, seeing Amahle and uVuyokazi unleash their bougie side sana in this 2026. Hi sana, before ubaqhele ikaka, you'll have to think twice, because what is this? Their comebacks zingaphezu kwamandla, guys. Anyways, your thoughts must get engaged, and I will see you shortly. Thank you for tuning in. Bye, guys.